Hi.
If you warm, if you put your hats on.
Wala dito. My God. Wala.
Okay, playing.
Yeah, look at that, he said. Oh, we've got them. Right in my hand.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go
Water.
up here.
Goes that way.
Let's go down. Right down up here. Slide over here. I want to park over here, but now it's like the woods.
Okay, we stop talking now. We have to focus when we cross the road, okay?
Right.
Nexa,
I'm here.
I talk ko na lang when we go downstairs, okay? Go downstairs first, and then.
Listen up.
Hey, 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 hey.
It's like that, and then look like you're biting your nail like this, and then shake your hand. You make your free. Yeah.
I think you only wear that dress once, no?
Yeah. I want
Matagal
to.
ko na yung binili. Last year ko pa yung binili. Isang beses niya pa lang yun nasuot. Sabi niya, dapat sinuot nga daw yan kagabi nung nagpunta kami. Ito si Santa Claus. Stand up this side so
I
that
should
itaga.
not.
Mm.
I should do because it's nice, like the color.
It suits you, the color.
Yeah. It suits and the bow matches. Just.
Kaligo tayo mga kachika. Minsanan nyo lang talaga ako makita na naliligo sa araw. Kasi usually naliligo talaga ako sa gabi. Pero hindi naman ako araw-araw. Hindi naliligo. Nung isang gabi naligo ako kasi diba galing ako sa work. Tapos yun naligo ako. Yun nga. Hindi nyo nakikita kaya na papansin nyo na ano. Minsan lang ako makita na naliligo. Lisa, come here. I'm gonna fix your hair. Naghanap ako ng suklay. Oh, ito. Kay Mister talaga to. Sinusuklay niya to. Puno na ng buhok namin. Kami na nang gumagamit. Lalo na si Alina, ginagamit niya to. Kasi pag ginagamit niya to, malinis yung ano ba, ganyan. Talaga. So, Alexa, I'm gonna do your hair. Clear? Alisa, paliguan ko din sana. Ayaw man niya ligo. Mamaya ko na daw papaliguan si Alisa. Si Alina nakaligo na kaya nakabihis na yun siya. Alis ka.
Peace.
I'm gonna take this off first.
I want to put it on.
Yeah, put it on. Pag-brush your teeth na mo there. I got the toothbrush ready in the bathroom.
Done.
Go, here. Here. Okay, go brush your hair. Oh, brush your teeth na mo. Oh. Someday, my friends will
Mama,
come. Okay, so brush your teeth. We put this in the bin, oh. Look at our hair in from that is hair brush.
Getting long, your hair. Lisa? Getting very long.
Yeah.
Huh? I should have been a hairdresser.
Stop it, Dad.
Yeah.
I don't want my time.
Daddy
Bye-bye.
is only teasing you.
How about, because that's what I do in the morning.
No.
Don't I? Brush your hair, put your tie on.
No.
Yeah, you can wear your puppy. Alisa got a very thick eyebrows. Kaya nag-eyebrows na naman.
She dyed her eyebrows purple with a
Mm.
marker.
Sus, ginawa ko ang style ni Alina. Ka-Barbie shoes, tapos long... outfit ni Alina. Sabi ko, ba't naman ganyan yung socks mo? Ganyan daw yung bet niya. Hayaan lang natin kung saan siya happy. Ito na yung isa. Balik-balik lang yung dress niya. Favorite dress. Favorite dress. Favorite dress.
Stop. Oh, look. It goes all the
Yeah,
way.
it is.
Let's go
Water.
up here.
Goes that way.
Go on, let me slide. Let's go down. Like that up here. Slide over here. I want to park over here, but now it's like the woods.
Okay, we stop talking now. We have to focus when we cross the road, okay?
Right.
Nexa!
I'm here.
Ay, na-drinking Fanta. My goodness, Alina. Drinking, yeah, Costa. How was it?
Good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, strong.
Strong, yeah. Gas. Alina's hungry. Maganda din dito kasi makikita mo yung view dito sa Costa.
I'm taking off.
Kaya tanggal kasi nila yan yung ano, ham. Ayaw nila yung ham. Yung cheese lang talaga. Ang tapang ng cappuccino. Ilagyan ko na ng ano, ng ito ba? Sana yung asukal. Hindi ko inubos. Kaya magkabal, sobrang tamis din. Matapang talaga siya. Natatapangan ako. Kinabahan talaga. You know what, babe? I didn't have my card. Kinabahan ako mga kasi pagpunta namin, pagsakay namin sa bus, yung ginagamit ko kasi na ano na ito, yung ano card holder lang siya ba kasi may 'di ba may wallet ako yung kulay brown na ano inalakihan ako tapos medyo mabigat siya. Ganon. Tapos ito na yung gamit-gamit ko. Pag-check ko, pagpunta ko, pagsakay namin sa bus, nakita ko, napansin ko na wala dito yung aking ATM card. Yung ito dito, yung kulay blue. Tapos meron ako dito yung sa mga ganito-ganito lang. Yung boots, wala talaga siya. Tapos buti na lang, meron na akong 10 pounds. Tapos yung 5, yun yung ginawa namin pamasahe. Pinayad ko pamasahe na 3 pounds 60 yung pamasahe namin ni Alina. Tapos buti na lang din na ako kasi yung hawak-hawak din ng credit card ni Mr. So buti na lang talaga kasi may pamasahe kami. Tapos ito na lang din yung ginamit ko pang bayad sa, wala namang problema kami sir pag gamitin ko ito mga katika. Basta mga ganito-ganito walang problema yan. Pero pag bibili ako ng mga gamit-gamit gaya ng mga para sa sarili ko, syempre nagpapaalam ako o siya yung magsabi sa akin na gamitin mo yung card. Pero usually hindi na talaga ako gaanong gumagamit talaga ng credit card niya kasi nga may pera naman ako at saka hindi na kailangan. Alam niyo yun, mahal din kasi yung binabayaran niya nito 1 month kaya hindi ko na din siya ginagamit dati. Matalas ko itong gamitin pero ngayon hindi na. So ngayon nga, buti na lang talaga na nandito. So pinoproblema ko ngayon is yung saan ba kasi kahapon, di ba yung sa vlog ko din yung hindi yung nagpunta kami ng Santa Claus, di ba yung isa na nagpunta ko ng town, tapos nagamit ko pa siya, kahapon din kasi yun, yung vlog na yun, yung bali, yung part 2 na lang yung nagpunta kami kay Santa Claus, ganun. Tapos, yun naalala ko pa na last ko na ginamit ko siya, napunta ko ng yung card ko kasi kahapon yun yung pinagamit ko na pinangbayad ko doon sa pinag-shopping ko. Tapos yung last ko na gamit sa card is yung nagsakay ako ng bus. So I think nandoon siya sa yung isa kong sling bag ganun. Ibang bag kasi yung gamit ko. Ito. Kaya hindi ko alam sana nandoon mga kachika. Iniisip ko din kung nawala man yun, nahulog ko ba somewhere, siguro na ano na siya. Ginamit na din yun for sure. Pero sinik ko man yung bank account ko, online banking ko kung Kobe. Wala namang, nandoon pa naman kung ano yung ginasto ko kahapon na nagpunta ako ng town. Same pa din naman noong nag-check ako kagabi. Yun lang din yung bawas ng pera ko. So
So sana nga lang nandoon lang siya sa isang bag ba. Hindi siya nawala.
Your wallet doesn't begin with Z.
Hmm?
Z. Z. Begin with Z.
Nothing. I just buy this one. Zia. Alina. Zia.
Ano, this is your first row. How about your full name? Jenny, your middle name. How about your middle name?
Ito na kami mga ka-chicken, din na kami doon nag-antay. Dumaan kami ng Home Bargains, mga bata nakakita ng blanket, binili ko na lang din kasi hindi ko na ang pira gamit ko. Pero pag pira ko yung gamit ko, ay sabihin ko next time na ito, blanket nga para may isa lang kasi silang blanket. So,
Baby blanket.
parang palit-palitan nila. Bumili na lang din ako ng mga toothbrush kasi mura lang doon sa mga Home Bargains yung Sensodyne na toothbrush, 99p lang. Pag bibilhin mo sa ibang shops, yung iba lalo na sa Super Drugs Boots, nasa 3 pounds something. Yan, tinawag mo ko si Mr. Hindi man, magkukrus na din yung shops, mga 30 minutes na lang. Sa Balok, if Daddy's car is there. Papunta na kami dito sa may car park ng M&S. Ano pa yung binili ko? Bumili din pala ako ng garbage bag, mga gamit nga sa kitchen, mga kachika. Kitchen gamit. Kasi mas mura sa Home Bargains.
Cold.
You're cold? You want your hat on?
No. Hi.
If you're warm, if you put your hat on.
I love
What are you going to say?
Thank you. Daddy!
No, we've been looking around. You was there and then I saw the car when we was there.
Got a baby blanket.
Food shopping kasi siya, mga kachika. What's this? Different portary?
That's a good one.
Bigger?
Oh yeah.
My God.
You like it, do you? The pork?
Yeah, port is good. I like port.
Good. I was going to get, I don't think you're going to like the liqueur. It's very strong. You don't like that, do you? Alcohol.
Liquor is good.
Yeah? Orange flavour.
Yeah.
I'll get that next time then.
Next time. And Christmas.
Huh? Yeah. That's good. You want this?
Nagbili din pala siya niyan. I went to Home Bargains, so I bought some stuff there as well. Nag-antay-antay pa kami doon sa may M&S, mga kachika. Kasi nga, wala siya doon sa may parking lot, diba? So, punta kami, bunti na nakita ko. Sabi ko kasi kay Alina, nag-uupo kami doon. Sabi ko na nilalamig ako. Let's go inside M&S. Tapos papasok na sana kami ng M&S. Doon sana kami magkatambay. Bigla namang nakita ko yung sasakyan. Ay, sabi, nandito lang pala siya. Nandoon lang pala siya sa nasa Sainsbury's lang pala. Nito na tayo, mga kachika. Hanapin ko agad yung mga kachika ba. Grabe yung kaba ko talaga nito, Diyos ko Lord. Nandiyan pala yung hover. Hala, wala dito. My God. Wala. Saan ko kaya? My God. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Ano ba yung ginamitan ko ng pagbayad? Ay, hindi ko talaga mahanap. Pero bigla kong naalala nga na ito yung ginamit ko kagabi na bag noong nagpunta kami kay Santa Claus. Tapos, ito yung pala yung gamit ko kahapon nung nagpunta ako ng gym. Kasi hinanap ko doon sa coat ko na suot ko kahapon, yung kulay beige ko na coat. Wala. Thank you, Lord. Chinik ko ulit yung aking online banking. Same pa din naman yung pera, walang bawas. Uy, Ginoo ko, Lord. Aba ko, nandito lang pala, mga kachika. Thank you, Lord. Hindi talaga ako mapakali kayo na doon pa kami sa labas. Kasi hindi ito yung bag na dala ko nga kagabi, yung isa kong bag. Yun yung problema pag magpapalit-palit ka ng bag pa. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko pag work, papunta ng gym. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko, yung ganito. I found it na. Here. I thought I lost it. I hear it was in my bag.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's in your bag.
I was very nervous. Because I thought as well it was here. Because I remember this is my bag last night, right? I thought it's here.
Who's that?
Because I used this yesterday for when I go to gym.
Who's, oh, you got stuff. Hey, it's not mine. It is. It's mine. What's that?
What's that, Ma? What's that?
Yes,
Fighting
mine.
over
It's
for something, na?
mine. Ah.
Alina, where is yours?
Oh, yeah.
You got all your own. Hindi ko nga sinabi kay Mister kasi pag sabihin ko, masisirmonan ako. Sabi niya nandun sa nagbabiyahe, nagtatravel kayo. Alam niya talaga yan pag may iniisip ako na malalim mga kachika.
He was like shocked. I was like,
Yeah. Pag may iniisip ako na malalim, alam niya yan mga kachika. Kasi alam mo yun, yung tahimik ka, tapos ganun yung ano ko ba, yung mood ko na tahimik ako na malalim yung iniisip.
I'll help you. Look, see, look, see,
Yeah,
look.
that's enough. Sabi ni Mr. Are you okay? Sabi ko, yeah, I'm okay. Pero hindi talaga ako okay. Kasi nga iniisip ko to. Graba yung kalit ko.
Just panicking. It's like,
Kasi yung, di ba yung ATM card naman, hindi kahit, Alisa, kahit hindi mo siya gamitan ng pin, yung password mo, hindi mo gamitin basta maano mo siya mga kachika, yung iswipe mo lang siya, magagamit mo ito or online, mag-online shopping ka.
here's your surname.
Ilipat ko na naman to dito kasi ito yung dadalhin ko bukas sa work. May work ako bukas.
My God.
Feel better na kasi na-solve na yung problema ko.
Hey?
Problem solved.
Problem?
Yeah.
What problem?
Nothing.
Me.
What? With what?
Huh?
Problem with what?
Never mind.
What?
It's a secret.
What problem? What problem? What? What problem?
Nice, Bino.
Yeah.
It's nothing. First of all, I'm only joking.
I know it's not. You're not joking. It's serious.
Boo-boo.
You don't say something for nothing. So come on. What?
Stop.
What problem you got?
Oh, nice, Bino.
What? The change of life?
No, it's not like that. Oh, it's pretty. Look.
You've seen someone you like. A
Stop
problem?
it, Percival. It's not like that.
Huh? You
Ew. Did you open I had it.
got a date and you want to regret it.
It's orange flavor.
Orange flavor, it's nice. I'm going to open it, madam. We're going to open it. Ito, nagbili ko sa Home Bargains kasi I had it, I tried this when at work that day. Because one of the wife of the resident, she brought some chocolate like this and we had it. But there is, no,
Liquid.
maybe
Not like
1 month ago naman.
custard.
And then we tried it. Tapos nakita ko mga kachika sa Home Bargains, bumili ako ng 2. Tapos ito, dadalhin ko yung isa nito sa work. Mura lang, 1990.
What's up?
Oh. It look like this, masarap. Yung natikman namin, may chocolate na plain lang. Ganito siya. Tapos meron naman, yeah, you can try it after your dinner. Meron naman yung may alak sa loob. So you try it. Eat first.
What tastes like?
Yeah, you can. Yan, marami din
Tastes
siya.
like chocolate.
Yeah. What's the size? Oh, just
It's like brownie.
Yeah,
Masarap.
sweet.
very sweet.
No, I
Masarap
wouldn't
ito.
have it then.
Only 99 pida ni.
It's so cheap, this stuff.
Mm.
No wonder it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Masarap. Ilang piraso? 12 pala inside. 12 pieces
What, is it?
inside.
What brand is it?
Ganit cake.
Hmm? Damn. Minty,
Like Denmark,
mini chocolate, orange flavored truffle cakes.
coated in chocolate flavor. Vermicelli.
Oh, I don't like orange flavors.
Just try it, very good. Dahil ko ito sa work bukas. Nakakabasa pa yan siya mga chika kahit maliliit na mga words. Basa-basa niya kasi yung noong bata pa siya mga kachika.
No,
What time that?
Denmark.
Denmark, yeah.
UK. UK.
Denmark. What?
Denmark.
How age you was, Daddy, when you had your eye problem?
8.
Nag-lalaro daw siya ng pana-pana mga kachika, tapos napana yung mata niya. So simula noon, nagka-problema na siya sa eyesight niya. When did you have your, then nagpa-eye surgery siya mga kachika?
2014.
2014, before we met, nagpa-eye surgery siya. Kaya simula nagpa-eye surgery na siya, sobrang clear na siya. Kahit ganito kaliliit na kaya niyang basahin in one eye, Daddy, no?
I can read that, yeah.
Oh, he can read it. Ito maliliit. Gamitin niya lang yung kung saan yung naoperahan niyang mata. Kaya napapansin niyo na magganyan niya siya kasi nakakakita yan sa mga kritika na sobrang lapit. Tayo hindi tayo makakita sobrang lapit sa kanya iba. Kaya kahit sobrang nga.
Like that?
Like this.
Yan, ganun. Kasi naoperahan yan siya. Tapos simula nung 8 years old nga siya hanggang 2014. Noong na siya nakakata na maayos. Pero yung isa, okay naman yung kabila lang. Pero yung isa na hindi na operahan, yun naman yung hindi siya nakakakita. Na hindi na siya nakakakita, pero hindi siya nakakabasa ng maliliit. Pero yung na-operahan nga, yun yung nakakabasa na siya na ganito kaliliit na mga words. Sige na, bagit na mo.
Like that?
No!
Dalawang flavor to ganito doon. Meron yung may liquor, yung may nga sa loob. Tapos,
I want chocolate. My daddy was 8.
Take it to work. They love it.
no, I got one. That's why I bought two.
Oh.
That one is for the house.
I'm not using anymore. It's 16. I'll be running in the dark.
Daddy, you said you got eye trouble when you was 8.
Yeah. But Daddy had a surgery.
When you was 8.
No, when he was,
An arrow went up in the sky,
uh,
and the kid said to me, "Look at that!" And I did, and it went right in my eye.
that's why.
So never play with the bow and arrow. There you go.
Yeah, it happens as well in the Philippines. Like that.
Mm.
Kids playing.
Yeah, look at that. He said, and I looked up and right in my eye.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Right here.